Okay, here is our vignette. It's really simple. Actually, this is a serving tray my husband built. And this is a pink shiny runner. And I added hydrangeas, purple and pink. And in this vase, the vase and the hydrangeas are from Michael's. This is a Dollar Tree plate and a Dollar Tree bowl. And then I just stacked it on top of a Hobby Lobby plate I got with hydrangeas as well. Then I added my purple and pink teapot that has little flowers. I'm thinking maybe morning glories or petunias maybe. If you have an idea of what kind of flowers these are, let me know. Because the stem kind of looks like a carnation, but the flower looks more like a petunia or a morning glory, so I'm not sure what it is. And then we got our little butterfly with a rose and our peony tea mug. I put these crystals in there with a Fenton hobnail votive, just for a little tea light. Then I added some crystals because you just can't get enough bling. And that is our kitchen vignette for summertime. What is your favorite colors to decorate for summer? Everybody knows pink and turquoise is my favorite go-tos for my home. But this year, for some reason, I really like the pink and purples together. What do you think about the pink and purple together? I think they look beautiful together.